Let's see if the Coleman CT200UEX is a good snow rig. It's been sitting in the barn for a couple weeks, so I hope it starts. We don't have much gas in it, but enough to ride it around for a little bit. Choke on, gas on. Let's give it a little gas. There we go. Let's let it sit with the choke for a little bit. Now this isn't my bike, so I can't break it. It's so cold after just riding for a few minutes. I got off the bike probably 20 minutes ago. The dirt bike already has icicles coming off the front fender. Okay. Let's see if it'll run without the choke now. Let's leave it on half choke for now. Let's shut it all the way off. Yeah, let's go. Let's see if this thing's a good snow. I think it still needs the choke. Now I know these tires don't have much tread, but I don't know. I bet it'll go through it fine. I have to get off and push a little bit. Okay, well let's see. I just made another video on how good the Gator is as a snow rig, but let's see this. Oh man, we are slipping and sliding. Let's turn this choke all the way off. Yep. Okay. Come on. I think we're almost out of gas. There we go, there we go. There we go. This is full throttle. It's buzzing right through. This thing is great. Not going in the mud, it's just like the Gator. I don't want to take it off. The thing I like about this thing is it's so small, I'm not scared of it at all. Because I know I can't get hurt on it. Every time I turn though, the back tire flies out under me. I realize, like, oh! Stand her up. Just like that. Got a little too comfortable. Because there is not much tread on these tires. Well. Just know before you take your Coleman MiniBike out in the snow, there is not very good tread on these tires. So you will slip. Hey, but if you're better than me, you have better balance, I'm sure it'd be just fine. I wasn't wanting to have to clean this off, but yeah, it worked good. It's a good bike for the snow, but not much traction on those tires. Yeah.